a very famous dish, very famous South Indian dish, and this dish is very close to my heart. So today I present to you Sakkarai Pongal. Sakkarai Pongal is normally made during the month of Thai in South India. This is the harvest season. So the first rice which is harvested is cooked as Sakkarai Pongal and it is presented to the sun god. So this is a very special dish and we make it very regularly at home, and this dish is still offered to gods during festivals and other celebrations. So let's dive in and start making this recipe.
To make this recipe, first let's start with making the jaggery syrup. Heat a pan or a kadai and keep it on medium flame. Add about 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of water. I am using jaggery powder. You can also choose to use jaggery or cane sugar. Keep stirring until the jaggery starts to melt. And allow this to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't boil them for too long. 2 to 3 minutes will do. Switch off the gas, strain it and keep it aside. To make the pongal, add 3/4 cup of raw rice to a cooker and 3 tablespoons of Moong dal. Roast them in medium flame for about 2 minutes. Wash this well for about 2 to 3 times. And I am adding 3 cups of water. Mix this thoroughly and pressure cook this for up to 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, when the pressure is released, open the cooker. You can see that the rice and dal has cooked perfectly. Give this a good mix, smashing it well at the same time. Switch on the gas and keep it on low flame. Add the jaggery syrup to the cooked rice and dal. Combine everything well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame until all the jaggery syrup is well absorbed by the rice and the dal. For 1 cup rice and dal, 1 cup jaggery would give out the perfect taste. In another kadai, add about 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add cashews or any other nuts or dry fruits of your choice and roast them until golden brown and add it to the Sakkarai Pongal. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix this well and our yummy Sakkarai Pongal is now ready to eat.
Do try this sweet pongal or Sakkarai Pongal at home and share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sindhu's Simple Cooking. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching.